Dear students, today I am going to start exercise 12.2. In this exercise, we have to convert the given numbers in standard form. Standard form is also known as scientific numbers in scientific notation. So, to convert any small or big number into standard form, we have to follow two steps. First is put the decimal after the first digit of given number and then multiply the number by power of 10. So there is some particular method to shift the decimal after first digit of given number, and then the second step is multiply the number which we got after placing the decimal after first digit, multiply that number by powers of 10. For example, I have number 5326.6. I have written it as 5 point. Now see, the decimal is after first digit, that is 5. 5.3266 into 10 raised to power 3. It is called standard form of number. But how we get this? There is some particular method to get the standard form. For example, I have this number 0.00075. Now I want to shift the decimal after 7. So how many places I will move the decimal? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. After moving the decimal 4 times, the decimal is shifted to after the first digit, that is 7. So I will write it as 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. Why I have written the exponent negative? Because the decimal is shifted from left to right. So when the decimal is shifted from left to right, exponent will be negative. So how I got this? I will explain the same number by another method, but in the exercise you can use this direct method. See, the number was 0.00075. When I will remove the decimal, I got 75 upon 10005, 5 times 0. Then I want to put the decimal after 7. So I will keep one multiple of 10 in the denominator to place the decimal. So 75 by 10 will become 7.5. And the other, how many zeros are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, which can be written as 7.5 upon 10 raised to power 4. 4 zeros are there, so I will write it as 7.5 upon 10 raised to power 4. So when I will shift this exponent, then I will write the reciprocal of this exponent. Then I got 7.5 into 10 raised to power minus 4. By using law of exponent, 1 upon a raised to power m is equal to a raised to power minus m. So I got the same result which I have shown you in another method. So this method which I have done first is easy as compared to this. It is easy but lengthy. So we will use this mechanism that whenever we are shifting decimal from left to right, the exponent will be negative, and the places, how many places we have shifted the decimal, that will become the power of 10. So in this number we have already decimal, but what about if we have given no decimal in the numbers? If we have whole number, like I have 350000. Now in this you can see no decimal is there, so I will place decimal and 0, which doesn't convert the replace the value of this number or affect the value of the number. So after decimal I can put as many zeros as you know, and they don't have any value. So for convenience, I put decimal and zeros. So now the decimal is outside the number. Now I have to shift it after 3. So how many places it will move? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now the number will become 3.5 into 10 raised to power 5. Now here I have put the exponent is positive. Why positive? Because the number was a whole number, not a decimal number, and the decimal is shifted from right to left. So exponent is positive. I will show this by the other method also. The same number 350000. Now how many zeros are there? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be written as 35 into 10 raised to power 4. But I want to put the decimal after 3. So I will multiply and divide the number by 10. So 35 by 10 will become 3.5. And here 10 raised to power 4 and 10 raised to power 1 will become 10 raised to power 4 plus 1, that is 5. So I got the result same as it is I have done by the another method. So by using law of exponent, a raised to power m into a raised to power n is equal to a raised to power m plus n. So in this exercise we will use the same method to get the number into standard form. So question number 1 of exercise 12.2, we have to convert the given numbers in standard form. So the first part of this question is 0.0000. We have 11 zeros in this number. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, then 8, 5. Now I have to convert this number in standard form. So 11 zeros are there and one number 8 is also there. So total digits we have to shift is 12. So we will shift this decimal 12 places from its original place. And how we are shifting? The mode is from left to right. So the exponent will be negative. We are shifting the decimal. We will write decimal is shifted from left to right 12 places. So what will be the answer? 8.5 into 10 raised to power minus 12. Second part, we have 0 point. Now how many zeros are there? 11 zeros are there. So we will write 11 zeros after decimal. 0, 0, 0, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Now see, after 11 zeros we have 9, 4, 2. Now I have to shift the decimal after 9. So I have to move from its original place the decimal to place it after 9, 12 places. So we will write decimal is shifted 12 places from, again the mode is left to right. So I got my answer 9.42 into 10 raised to power minus 12, because the decimal is shifted from left to right. Now the third part of this question is, the number is 602. Now after 602 we have 13 decimals. Now I have to put 13 decimals after 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now I have to shift the decimal from right side to left side. Now right side we don't have any decimal, so I will write the number as after last 0 I will write decimal and 0. So now this decimal will be shifted after 6. So 13 zeros were there and 2 and 0. 2 more digits. So how many places I have to shift the decimal? 15 digits. So when I will shift the decimal 15 digits, I got the decimal after 6. So it will become 6.02 into 10 raised to power 15. Now the exponent is positive because the decimal is shifted from right to left. So we will write decimal is shifted from right to left How many places? 15 places. So we got our answer 6.02 into 10 raised to power 15. Now moving to fourth part of this question. Now we have 0. How many zeros are there in the question? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Then we have 8, 3, 7. Now I have to shift the decimal. How many places? We have 8 zeros and then one digit is 8. So I will shift the decimal 9 times. So I have to shift the decimal 9 places to form standard form. So we will write decimal is shifted 9 places from left to right. The mode is left to right. So we got our answer 8.37 into 10 raised to power minus 9. Now fifth part of this question is we have 3186. After 6 I have 7 zeros. I have 7 zeros. So again this number is a whole number. So I will put decimal after the last 0. So decimal and 0. Now how many places I have to shift the decimal? We have 7 zeros and 3 digits also 1, 8, 6. So that it will become, the decimal will come after 3. So 7, 1 and 8, 9, 10. So I have to shift the decimal 10 places to get it after digit 3. So I will write decimal is shifted how many places? 10 places from right to left. I have shifted the decimal from right to left 10 places. So our answer is 3.186 into 10 raised to power 10. Exponent is positive because the mode was right to left. So always remember, whenever we are shifting the decimal from left to right, the exponent will be negative, and when we are shifting the decimal from right to left, the exponent will be positive.